Can you fix PS5 gaming error codes? Encountering error codes on your PlayStation 5 can be frustrating, especially when you are eager to dive into your favorite games. These error codes can stem from various issues, including network connectivity problems, software glitches, or hardware malfunctions. Understanding how to address these error codes can enhance your gaming experience and get you back to playing sooner. One common error code is the C3487880, which typically indicates that a game has crashed. To resolve this, start by restarting your console. If the issue persists, try reinstalling the game. This can often fix any corrupted files that may be causing the crash. Additionally, ensure that your PlayStation 5 system software is up to date, as updates frequently include patches for known issues. Another frequent error is the NW100-2261-2, which relates to network connectivity. If you encounter this code, check your internet connection. You can do this by testing the connection in the settings menu. If your connection is unstable, consider resetting your router or connecting your console directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable. This can provide a more stable connection and help eliminate the error. The error code WS373979 may appear when there are issues with your PlayStation Network account. If you see this code, verify that your account is in good standing and that there are no restrictions. You can also try signing out of your account and then signing back in. If the problem continues, checking the PlayStation Network status online can provide insights into any ongoing service issues. For hardware-related errors, such as the C3000058, which indicates a potential hard drive failure, it is essential to back up your data immediately. You may need to replace the hard drive or restore the console to factory settings. Before doing so, ensure you have all necessary backups to avoid losing your saved games and data. In summary, while encountering error codes on your PlayStation 5 can be inconvenient, many of these issues can be resolved with a few troubleshooting steps. By understanding the specific error codes and their meanings, you can take appropriate actions to fix them and enjoy uninterrupted gaming.